it's very important that the blade of the mower is sharp, because if the blade is dull, it will drag the grass and that will cause stress on the grass. Good day, welcome back to Sheldon's Gardening Tips, your complete DIY guide for everything lawn and garden care. Today I'll be mowing this St. Augustine lawn. I'll be changing the blade of the mower. But before I do so, I will do one pass or two passes with the old blade, and then we will take note of whether or not there are any differences to be seen in terms of the quality of cut using the old blade as compared against the new blade. Now, when cutting your lawn, it's very important that the blade of the mower is sharp, because if the blade is dull, it will drag the grass and that will cause stress on the grass. That will also cause the grass to be susceptible to diseases, and also it will not look aesthetically pleasing. So using a sharp blade will give a clean cut. It will be aesthetically pleasing, and it will cause the lawn to be healthier because it's not stressed, and it won't be susceptible to diseases with a cleaner cut. Okay, so I'll do two passes with the old blade, then I will change over to the new blade. Okay, so I completed 3 passes actually with the old blade. So this is the quality of the cut. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest. So this blade, I've had it for about 6 to 7 months. It has never been sharpened because I pretty much only use the Rotary Mower on the St. Augustine lawn. It doesn't have any weeds, any stones. So the blades, my blades normally don't suffer any significant damage. So now I will change over to the new blade and we'll see how that goes. So let me concede, this isn't the best way to change the blade, right? This is the method I use from time to time, and I've not had problems. This angle gives me the best convenience as it relates to my ability to maneuver the mower to take off the blade. Okay, so now the new blade is in, so I'll do 2 passes and then I'll see the difference in the quality of cut. let us compare the two cuts. So this was cut using the old blade, then this was cut using the new blade. So if I go close up, these were cut using the newer blade, whereas these were cut using the old blade. Not quite sure you can see the difference, but I can clearly see that this section has a cleaner look, just looks better with the use of the new blade. So old blade to my right, new blade. So that's right of screen is old blade, left of screen new blade. Alright, stay tuned while I complete the mow on the lawn. So that's the mow all done. I am extremely pleased with how the lawn is looking. Beautiful. It really does look good. The lawn was mowed using my Rotary Mower. That's the only mower that I use because of the height of cut. I cut this lawn at 3.5 inches. The real mower doesn't go that high, so I'm not able to use the real mower to cut this lawn. So I changed the blade from an older blade I had maybe 8 months I've been using, never sharpened, and now I've used a brand new blade, and the lawn does look beautiful. All I can say, it looks better than it looked the last time when it was cut. The only thing that I've done differently is to I've gone ahead and changed the blade in the mower. Everything else remains the same. However, the lawn does look a lot better than it looked the last time around. So thanks very much for watching. I will see you again in future videos.